We have Rupesh Sankhe, he's the Vice President of Research at Elara Capital, who joins us on the show. Rupesh, good afternoon. Thanks for joining in. How are you rating Tata Power at the moment? What's your view in keeping in mind the rest of the sector?
Good morning. Definitely, their plan of incurring 1.46 trillion kind of a capex for next 5 years seems to be very ambitious. No doubt, next 5 years we'll see significant capacity addition or capex on the solar cells as well as RE capacity addition, pump hydro storage, the projects in the Bhutan. That will have a lot of capex going ahead as versus earlier 4-5 years capex. So definitely it's a 2.5x more than what they have incurred in the last 5 years. But the thing is that here to note down that they have shown significant operating cash flow in the last 2 years because of Section 11, the entire fuel cost pass is there on the Mundra side, as well as their solar EPC is doing good. Other verticals are doing good. So the operating cash flow is very strong to support this kind of a capex. And no doubt, the opportunity is there for all the players in the renewable space. And because of new FDRE tenders, they will get benefit of their own solar EPC, solar sales, solar modules manufacturing. So they are completely integrated players. And that advantage they will have. And once hydro storage comes in picture, I think they will be in the competitive position to gain a higher market share in the renewable energy tenders. And that is why we are very positive on the stocks because of strong operating cash flows as well as the opportunities there in the FDRE front. So definitely, I think capex looks very, very ambitious, but they can achieve this target if they go aggressive on the FDRE front and they maintain their capex on the pump hydro storage. So overall, in terms of valuation also, stock is better as compared to other private players. So they are trading at close to 25 times PE multiple, 11 times EV/EBITDA seems to be attractive. Again, there is a value unlocking possibilities there once they start thinking on the IPO on the renewable energy side. So there is a lot of value unlocking is there. So from that perspective, I think company is well positioned and valuation also looks attractive at this value at this current market price.
Right, Rupesh. I just want your view on risks to your thesis. So naturally, we're expecting cash flows to remain where they are right now, and that's in the the positive territory. But should there be some issues, the capex plans also come into peril. Maybe they will get a bit delayed. Besides that, there are also several other factors that could come in the way of execution of the various projects they're in. What are the risks from your end that you're anticipating or envisaging in the way you're looking at the company?
Definitely some risks are there in terms of execution. So whatever the timeline they have set up by 2030 looks very, very aggressive. There could be 1 or 2 years kind of a delay. Again, the tenders that they have for the FDRE tenders, they have to be very aggressive there. So getting winning tenders as well as keeping track on the under construction projects is going to be challenges for them. As well as in terms of entire sector, if there is a value multiple is coming down from the current level. So all these companies are trading at significantly premium to their historical average. So if that valuation comes down for the entire sector, then there is a risk in terms of value multiple de-rating also. So challenges are there, but opportunity size also very big. So they have to be on track on pump hydro storage, RE capacity addition. Otherwise, strong operating cash flow will remain there in the balance sheet only without giving growth for the entire portfolio. So those risks are there. The overall industry risk is there. In terms of evacuation, I think Ministry of Power is now coming out a lot of resolution policy changes to evacuation of RE and integration of RE. So slowing down RE tendering, going slow on the pump hydro storage, and the value de-rating for the entire sector can be a risk for the company.
Okay, all right. Rupesh, thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your view on Tata Power. A very important and insightful one as well.